Greater than waterfalls, my love. A poem by Kim Vũ for my muse Kim Dai. Forever love. All the misty droplets from Iguazu Falls can't compare with my love for you, sweetheart. I've seen them with my own eyes, all these misty droplets, and you weren't with me. I've been there listening. Yes, darling, I've been missing you. Gotta be back someday with you. Gotta be back. We'll be staying at the Rosie Hotel, reining over a panoramic view of the waterfall to feel nature's wonder at its best, and to know my love for you is even greater than that, because my love for you is always with me, while the sound and sight of the waterfalls have become but long gone memories of a short sojourn without you, and missing you too much. Yes, missing you too much.